Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out because I think I'm going to be bringing back some hauls and like unboxings. So let me know if you guys like that. This is going to be a really fun one. I have behind me right here Mindful Souls. So they sent me 2 boxes. I used to work with them a while ago. I worked with them for about 2 years. I'm really excited to just be working with them again. I love their boxes. A lot of my jewelry and spiritual items is from them, like candle holders, candles, jewelry, crystals, incense. They have like a wide variety and array of things. They have affirmation cards, they have stickers, they have, sometimes they give you books. Like, I love Mindful Souls. Now, a few things before we get into the unboxing I wanted to say is they do have their own YouTube channel, which I'll link down below. And there's a lot of reviews on YouTube I was looking at. People really love their boxes, just like I do. And it's also, I have my notes here so I don't forget what I need to talk about. But they're $39.97 a month. And that is from $80 to like $120 worth of items in the box. So that's a good deal. And then US has free delivery, which I love. And then we have cancel anytime, which I love. And all their crystals are lab certified. So with all that being said, all their information will be linked down below. But let's get into unboxing. Okay, so let's get into the first box. So when you open it up, they have a really pretty box. So it says, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. And with these boxes, like if you guys can see right there, I like to keep the boxes sometimes if it's really pretty and just like cut that out, and I will glue this onto a journal so that the journal, or you can get like a journal from the 99-cent store, like one of those plain ones that you get for school. And then you just glue this on top, and now you have a pretty journal. You could decorate around the edges and use that. I just feel like you could reuse these things. Why waste it, right? Why throw it away? But when you open the box, they have their cards, the affirmation cards, and then they have a card telling you what's in the box. And then they have all the items. Look at all that, you guys. That's a lot. That is a lot of stuff. So I'm excited. I don't want to, well, yeah. So when you open it up, you kind of get to see what's all in there. But the affirmation card says, affirmation for great sleep. I'm now in my bed, free from the stress, anger, fear, blame from today. I invite in and welcome calm and serenity. So this affirmation card, what you can do with all their affirmation cards is actually make your own oracle deck. You'll have your own deck of affirmation cards after you accumulate so many of these boxes. But what I would do with this one, because it has to do with sleep, is I will thumbtack it to the ceiling right above where I sleep. So when I wake up, or right before I'm going to sleep, I have a good affirmation, and then right next to it I'll have like an affirmation for a good morning or a good day. So you could do that. You could like thumbtack this to near your bed. You could frame it and put it on your nightstand. So there's a lot of things you could do with these cards. And they're sturdy. Like, they are good quality cards. So the next thing that we see here is they always give a sticker. And this one is, it's just a little pug. And you could put this like anywhere, like on your laptop. And it's a pug meditating, which is really cute. I don't personally have a pug. I only have one dog. And if you guys have seen him, sorry if I keep wiping my face. It's really, really hot right now. I turned my AC off and I turned my fan off so that I could film, so you guys could hear me. So it's hot. Bear with me. But yeah, I might re-gift this to somebody that has a pug, or, you know, there's a lot of creative things you could do. It's a cute sticker. I might put it on my laptop. And then we have these baggies that they give their items in, these baggies right here, I always save them. First of all, they have the eye on it, the evil eye, nazar type of design, if you guys can see. So what I like to do with these baggies is put herbs in it and then throw them in the dryer, or put herbs in it like potpourri and then hang them around different areas of my house. Or if I'm giving somebody something, I just re-gift the bag to them. Like, I have a lot of crystals and jewelry and stuff that am always constantly re-gifting. So I just put it in this bag and then I'll give it to them. And it's really cute and it's a good quality bag. So let's see what's in this first one. So the first bag has a jasper necklace. It is a little tangled. It's a little tangled, but that's okay. We'll detangle that after the video. You know how long that takes, right? Look at this. And the chain. So this is a new moon jasper necklace, and this necklace is a symbol of new beginnings and a fresh start. It's made out of jasper, which is known to be truly valuable stone to cleanse negative energy, soothe the nerves, and increase your focus for changes in life. So very good meaning. And this necklace actually really makes me think of Shiva. I actually work with Shiva a lot, and I give him offerings and stuff. And this one I feel like I'll put on his altar because it just reminds me of him. It's a really pretty one. So that's the first thing. The next thing that we have is a little bit of a bigger bag. And in this bag here, ooh, that smells really good. In this bag right here, we have 3 Palo Santo sticks. Palo Santo is actually very, very good to burn. And this just gave me an idea for a video. This actually really did give me an idea for a video. So stay tuned for that. After this video, I'm going to write my notes down really quickly so I don't forget. But 3 Palo Santo. And Palo Santo is something that's used for cleansing and purification. So what you do is you burn this. And then you can walk around your whole house while it's burning, or you could let it burn in a specific area of your house, burn it on your altar. You can burn it over like your wallet and or your photos of you and your loved ones, whatever you want to cleanse and purify. You could also like burn it around yourself. It's very, very, it is very like, I was gonna say soothing, but the word I would use for this is, it reminds me of like when an ancestor takes negative energy off of you. That's what it reminds me of. Like it's a very older spirit that helps to purify your energy. So you get 3 of them, and that will last you a pretty long time. So I'm excited for this. And I was gonna share, let me share one way that you guys can use it, but I am gonna come out with a video. But one way you could use it is to write your full name and your birth date on a Palo Santo stick and let it burn all the way down to the bottom so that you're cleansing your energy, your name, and everything associated with your name. So that's one way you could use Palo Santo. And then the next thing we have here, this is a crystal. So this crystal looks like turquoise, but I highly doubt it is turquoise, but chrysocolla. And this is a rock star for empowering feminine energy in men and women, and because it's deeply connected with the vibration of earth, which vibrates with the purest energy of love. And it also opens the throat chakra, communication, self-expression, and drawing negative energy away from the body. So it's for like people who are going through challenges, like maybe like a breakup or a job loss or something like that. It really does remind me of turquoise. And bluish crystals are always very, very good for the throat chakra. So I'm excited to use this somehow for the throat chakra. What I like to do with crystals like this, because when I feel the crystal, I can kind of tell what I can do. I would crush this up and put it in candles and then burn the candles for good communication in the house. I think that's what I would do with something like this. So let's go into the next thing. The next thing that we have here is, oh, it's a bracelet. Okay, so this bracelet looks really pretty. You guys know I love my crystal bracelets. So this bracelet right here, there's an amethyst in the middle and it looks like bloodstones. If you guys can see, hold on. See amethyst, bloodstone, and a few other kinds of crystals. This is a mixed stones and amethyst bracelet, and so it features 7 stones representing the 7 chakras of the body. And use this bracelet to enhance your higher self and trust the stones to help you when you're aligning your chakras. So this is nice to just keep everything in balance. And it's very pretty. Like if I put this on, I'm gonna actually put it on. No, I'm not gonna put it on right now, not before I cleanse it, but I just want to show you guys. Like it goes with any outfit, I feel like. And you can actually pair it up with other bracelets too. So very, very pretty. I'm excited for that. And then the next baggie that we have here, it's a green one. This is nice. Like if you wanted to make like something for money, money mojo bag, you could use this, you could reuse the bag for something like that. And then in here we have, oh, it's another bracelet. And this bracelet, okay, so this is a Hamsa hand bracelet with the red threading. And these you're kind of supposed to wear until they break, because they're gonna eventually break. And you're supposed to wear it to remove negative energy. And when it does remove the negative energy, it'll break. And then you just kind of throw it away. So it's a Hamsa friendship bracelet. It's a protective bracelet. The wearer of the Hamsa hand can wear it facing up or down. It's believed to give the owner success, harmony, and protection from the evil eye. So this is something that I feel like I actually want to get a tattoo of the Hamsa hand on my body, but that's in the future. For now, I wear it a lot. And so this is something I will be wearing, and it's very, very pretty. And you can also like stack this with your crystal bracelets. I think it would look really, really nice. So another very good product. And then the next baggie that we have here, this one's a little heavy. It's a black one. The black ones are really nice. So the black baggie has a crystal in it. Oh, I know what this is. This is a fluorite. And I love fluorite. If you guys are studying or going to school, or you're creative, or you're an artist, or anything creative or to do with the mind, you want to have a fluorite with you. It helps increase focus and creativity and motivation. And it's very pretty. It has hues of like green and purple. There's iridescence in it. It looks like green and purple glass, and it's heavy. And actually, every time I hold fluorite in my hands, I can feel that energy of like, it just like, how do I explain it? Pumps you up. Like you're ready. I would go to the gym with this in my bag or in my pocket or something like that, because it just like boosts you up. It's a very protective crystal. I'm reading off what the card says. It's a useful crystal to have at work and to be more organized, be more focused. It's also to ward off negative energies that threaten your personal relationships. I didn't know that. It can purify your body and eliminate anything that's causing it not to function properly. So health-wise, it's a good like health crystal. Okay. I like that. Adding that to my collection. And then the last thing that we have in this box is another black baggie, and it looks like, oh, wow. It's a magnet. It's a magnet, and it's amethyst. If you guys can see the back. So you could put this on your fridge. And this is interesting because if you put this on your fridge, it kind of will engulf all the food in your fridge with the energy of the amethyst, which is for anybody that's going through addiction, for anybody that cannot sleep, for anybody that goes through like nervousness, anxiety, depression, put this on your fridge so it can infuse your food with the energy of calmness and relaxation. I think this would be really nice for the fridge. It's been highly praised throughout the ages for its stunning beauty. Of course, amethyst is so beautiful. It's really pretty, you guys. And it can be used as a charging station for other crystals. I didn't know that. And for cleansing any space, and a tool for meditation. It is a very calming crystal. So I'm very excited for this. This was a good box, you guys. This was a really good box. And that's going to be it for the first one. I'm going to do the second one in a part 2. Okay, because I need to take a little break right now. It is really hot. And I'll see you guys in part 2. And I'll leave the links down below for the box. Really good deal. You guys saw like how many things they gave, and then the affirmation card, and then they explain in that big card what everything is. Really good box. I'll see you guys in the next video.